Today I'm going to show you a proven 1-minute Forex scalping strategy for Euro US dollar. For this trading strategy, we will need a couple of indicators. So head over to the indicators section on TradingView.com and type in stochastic RSI. Click OK to add it on your charts. We will also need a couple of moving averages. The moving averages we will need is 20, 50, 100, 200. This may seem like a lot of moving averages, but we will use them strategically and we will not have them all the time on our charts. So let me quickly go over how to actually use the scalping strategy. You will only use the 100 and 200 moving averages for price direction, or in some cases a point to aim for where you want to close off your trading position. Because we're going to use multiple time frame analysis, sometimes moving averages might be at the top, sometimes they might be at the bottom. In this case, the 100 and 200 moving averages are at the top. However, our lower time frame moving averages have now been broken. This means we can use this space till the 100 moving average to trade long trading positions, because once the moving average is touched, usually there's going to be some sort of pressure. In this case, a lot of selling pressure from the 100 moving average. If that breaks, maybe it's going to be from the 200 moving average. That's where you should take some of your profits. And the stochastic RSI will just show overbought and oversold conditions. In this case, Euro US dollar is oversold, which means if we bought a long trading position, it should continue moving up and reach our take profit level. Okay, let me give you now some live trading examples using this trading strategy. So we're currently on Euro US dollar 1 hour time frame, just marking our previous area of resistance. Now to analyze, we need all of the moving averages, and as you currently see, everything is trending towards the upside. We can see the same thing on the 5 minute and the same thing, guys, for the 1 minute. So what I'm waiting for to enter? Well, the stochastic, as you can see, is nearly overbought and it's bouncing off this previous area of resistance. We are currently seeing a strong red candlestick moving towards the downside. The 5 minute time frame RSI has already been overbought and moving down. We should be aiming for this area zone over here. I'm gonna place a 0.50 position for Euro US dollar. This is my trade currently. We actually nearly touched our take profit level, and as you can see at the moment, I'm like $5 to $6 in profit. Should be expecting a move towards the downside a little bit more before a push up once again. This is what the 1 minute time frame looks like. A nice shooting star closure. We do have the 100 moving average just over here, so maybe if we touch the 100 moving average, I might just close a little early. I'm also not a fan that the 1 minute time frame is currently overbought on the stochastic RSI, but at the same time, higher time frames is in favor. Okay, we're nearly touching our take profit level, a little bit more. I feel like I'm okay, I'm closing it off. So this is our first trade with the strategy. As you can see, $27.50 in profit. Very nice indeed. So now I'm just scanning, looking for another trading opportunity. On the 5 minute time frame, we are approaching the stochastic RSI to be oversold. So if we get a candlestick closure, a nice one, maybe a bullish engulfing candlestick just off here, this could indicate a nice push towards the upside. The 15-minute stochastic is pretty much in the middle. It hasn't been oversold just yet. Maybe we can enter a trade just off this bullish engulfing candlestick. So let's open another 0.50, but for a buy this time. We're actually getting quite screwed at the moment. We had a very bad entry just off here, and as you can see, we nearly stopped out. God damn it. Yeah, so it's a bad trade, this one. The market sharply went towards the upside. I probably would have even closed once it touched the 20 moving average. I wanted to enter somewhere around here, but I've entered, as you can see, near the moving average. It bounced off and then went towards the downside. So the history at the moment, I'm minus $3. Let's try to recover. You know what? I might just enter over here. Let me do a 0.50 once again. This time I'm going for 10 pips. Looking at the 5 minute, I believe there's going to be a bounce. I mean, the trend is heavily towards the upside. We had that push exhaustion scenario back towards the 2 moving averages. Our stop loss is just below the 50 moving average. We should be able to push towards the upside once again to retest the previous top level. Okay, nice. 1 minute is getting a form of rejection just off here. Hopefully it breaks the 20 moving average. We'd love to see that. Then we can aim for somewhere around here. That's where my take profit is. Okay, nice. So we broke past the 120 moving averages. This is great. It's also a bullish engulfing candlestick, which is even better. Likely it's going to retest this area zone, probably the 50 as well. This is good. This is what I like to see. I might even enter another trade. Let me go for 0.50. Once again, let's recover that bad boy. Oh yeah, it's going up around 50. I'm closing my second position. And we're near take profit. I'm closing it off as well. There we go. And as you can see, the pullback is real. I called it around this area. So I know the 50 moving average. That's where the pullback happened. Let's take a quick glance of our 4 trades. $51 in profit at the moment. I'm probably forcing this trade. If we break 100 moving average and 20 moving average over here with a bullish engulfing candlestick, we can again aim for that resistance just over here or the 50 moving average. Okay, we broke the 20 moving average. Haven't broken the 100 yet, but it seems like it could be a good trade. Let's just do that. Let's open up 0.50 once again for a nice little buy. I do realize that my stop loss is 2 pips higher. However, I don't want to make it too small because of spread. At the moment, it doesn't look great. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, really unfortunate we did not catch that rally. The 100 moving average was just too strong, never broke it, went towards the downside. Yet again, we have 2 losses, 3 wins, $21 in profit. However, hopefully we can do a little bit better. Okay, the 1 minute time frame did break that consolidation. However, the 5 minute really is telling me that it's gonna be a nice buy trade at the moment. I just opened 2 trades. Let's see what happens. So although the 1 minute time frame has crossed this previous area of sensitivity, we still have that 5 minute trend, and I feel like it's better to ignore all of this. What's happening on the 1 minute is just noise, and focus on the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame, which just has more information and likely gonna lead to a better trading signal. However, I believe it's gonna continue moving up, so I'll open just another trade, 0.25. So this is where my third trade is, but we're gonna delete it just for clear viewing of the chart. So there was a bounce of that trend line and 50 moving average. I'm just hoping to break this area of previous sensitivity. If it does, then we will likely see a touch of the 20 moving average. On the 1 minute, we actually managed to break the 50 moving average. We're currently having an exhaustion, so maybe a push exhaustion push scenario is gonna happen very, very soon. Okay, finally we see a push towards the upside very nicely. As you can see, once it broke that 50 moving average, that little exhaustion back towards the 2 moving averages, 20 and 50, a strong push towards the upside followed, which is amazing, which is what we want. Now I just want to maybe retest this 100 moving average and close off our position. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen because my wife said the food is getting cold, so I need to go eat. All right, guys, I'm starving. As you can see, it's going towards the upside. Let's just take a look. $20. I'm closing it off. So here's my history. I made $43. And if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some gold live trading, which is the video over here. Or maybe you would love to learn a little bit about moving averages, which is the video over here. Click one of them. You'll love both.